Sean and Heidi with Hikebytes. We're at Chantry Flats. They just reopened October 4th, and we're going to check this place out. We've wanted to come here for at least 2 years. We've seen films of this before, done by Jesse, St. Louis, and others, and we just couldn't wait till it opened. So we're excited to show you guys. So where you see Heidi coming up from the parking lot, you'll see the sign directing you which way to go. Sturtevant Falls is to the left, past the restrooms, and you can get the pack station on your way and get an adventure pass if you need one. This is where you start. It'll also take you to the pack station. You can get a $5 pass here, not a yearly pass. So here's the pack station. So meet Maggie at the packing station, you call it?
Adam's Pack Station.
Adam's Pack Station. They're reopened. They got hot food coming.
Yeah.
Do you have any beer yet? Yeah, they got some beer.
Beer and cold drinks and some snacks.
Yeah, great after a hike, but just don't drink and drive. You know that.
Yeah.
All right, so hang out a little bit and have some fun.
You definitely want to visit here, get some snacks, some cold water for the hike, or to just relax after the hike. Grab a beer, grab some snacks, and just chill out. It's a great place. Hey, Maggie gave us a tip to the upper falls where there's all these rock pools. I can't wait to find out what they look like. So let's go check it out.
From that first sign, you're gonna cut left here and go down to the second parking lot to get to the trailhead. So I'm at the trailhead entrance to Sturtevant Falls, and this is what it looks like. See you out there. There's a lot to do out here, but today our focus is to show you above the falls and all the cool rock pools that lead to the falls. So we're going to take you to the upper falls today. Can't wait to show you.
Just a friendly reminder, no fires whatsoever on this trail. I think Heidi was on pure adrenaline right here, and she could not wait to get there.
And this little lizard just to the left, he's taking a break with us. Yep, she's petting him again. How cool is that? Oh, what a good lizard, man.
After about a half mile, you have your first crossing. You will see these man-made waterfalls speckled all along the trail. In less than a mile, you run into this cool swim hole and rock pool. Check it out. This swim hole is called Slider Rock. You want to visit.
So this is the way down to the water slide.
Sean's checking to see the depth of the water to make sure it's safe to slide in.
Looks pretty deep.
Yeah?
Yeah, it slides right in. Oh, nice.
Cool.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, woo! Oh, that was cheesy. There's a little chair for Sean to relax.
After cooling off at Slider Rock, we got back to the journey. The trail here is very beautiful and always changing. I really like this one. I'll definitely come back. There's many privately owned cabins along the way, but let's respect their no trespassing signs. Thank you so much. To get to the top of the falls, look for this red call box. You'll see this tree with a rock stuck right in its roots and its trunk. You'll see no campfire sign. And where Heidi is pointing, we'll give you directions. I'm going to tell you which one to take to get to the upper falls. You want to take the lower trail, top of the falls. Very clear. Do not take the horse trail. That does not get there. Then the regular trail is down that way. So this is the trail to the upper falls. It looks like a wash. And then we'll hit the bottom part on the way back. We were told by the store owner, Maggie, there's some awesome rock pools to go swimming. Can't wait to check it out. See you at the pools.
The Upper Falls Trail is very slippery, so please be careful.
So this is the upper... Whoa! Wow. Well, that's what happens. It wasn't a selfie accident, but watch out for this rock.
Very slippery.
Very slippery. Thank God I didn't break a wrist.
You okay?
Yep.
Sure?
Yep. So if you look down there, that's the trail to the falls at the bottom. It's very beautiful on this trail, but the leaves are so slippery. Watch every step you take. Kind of reminds me of Switzer up here. So again, we're heading to the upper falls, over Sturtevant to the rock pools. On a insider tip, I have never seen these, let alone the falls itself. I've never seen that either. Man, I can't wait to show you guys and to jump in. It's about 92 today, and we're getting lightheaded. It's so hot. So we recommend getting in those pools, cooling down your body temperature, and staying safe. See you at the pools.
This is so pretty.
This is the first view of the falls from the Upper Falls Trail. I'm going to be very careful here. Wow. Gorgeous. Oh, this trail is gorgeous. Man, we scored. It's quite a perspective. Oh man. You gotta be kidding me, look at this. See if I can get a picture of the fall real quick, Heidi. I'm gonna look in 1 second. I can't really see the fall from here, but I see a lot of pools. What do you see, honey? Oh! Wow, there's a series of falls. And there's a big deep pool right there. I don't know if we can get there. There's a really nice pool straight down. Gonna definitely have to check that one out. I'm looking for an entry spot so we can go down over the falls. Oh my gosh, what's that, babe? Another waterfall. And a cave. Whoa. Man, that's gorgeous. That looks like a good deep pool right there. So there's an entrance to get down right here. Definitely going to be checking that out. But we're going to take the path all the way to the top and see if there's another entrance.
We only found one entrance, so we're going back. See you at the pools.
Oh yeah, feels so good.
Now to the main attraction.
Oh wow, what an entrance.
So if you plan on coming to this mesmerizing, beautiful place, make sure you bring a lot of water or a filter and lots of snacks. And bring your bathing suit, because it's a lot of fun getting in that water. Also, just a heads up, in every video description we provide a link with directions to the trailhead and navigation if you have the All Trails app. And it's a great thing to have. We recommend it. This is a great place to check out from city life and get a reset. And now that it's reopened, come out here before the crowds find out about it. So we hope that all our subscribers get here before everyone else hears about it. Thanks for watching. And remember, until your next adventure, explore nature with us and get some new ideas, one bite at a time. See you on the next one. If you felt this video was helpful and you liked it, give us a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, we'd love to have you on board. Thanks, we appreciate you. Hikebytes officially signing off. Hope to see you soon.